In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix login expired on Facebook. So first of all, launch open Facebook application. Now all you have to do is log in to your account again. For that, enter your credentials. Tap on the field of mobile number or email. Now what you have to do is simply provide your mobile number or email address over here. After you do that, enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. Now once you do that, tap on this option login that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be logged into your account and your problem should be fixed. But if the problem still persists and you're seeing the error message login expired, in that case there might be some problem in the application. So what you have to do is update the Facebook app. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at bottom. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top of your screen. Now what you have to do is search for Facebook. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Facebook and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while and the Facebook will be updated. After you do that, your problem should be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, open the app library of your device. Find the application for Facebook and long press on it. Now tap on this option App Info that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the App Info interface of Facebook. Tap on this option Storage and Cache. Now you can see two options over here, Manage Space, Clear Cache. Tap on the option Clear Cache. Now after you do that, the problem should be solved. If the problem still persists, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the Facebook application and install it again. After you do that, your problem will surely be solved. But sometimes there might be some problem with the device itself. So in that case, restart your device. Long press on the power button and tap on the restart option that you can see on the screen. After you do that, your problem should be solved and you'll no longer see the message for Facebook login expired. So that is how you fix Facebook login expired. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.